don't even know how it looks like inside. Oh, what is this? How can I eat this? It's only shell. Anong gagawin ko dito? Ibababad ko ba siya? Wait. Oh gosh, how do you eat this? Okay. Buksan ko ba to? Okay, I think I have to open this kasi di ba para siyang tahong lang naman. Pero this is really the first time. So, ito pala siya. I don't know that it looks like this. Akala ko yung ano na siya. Half na. Anyway, I'm gonna try to cook this. Okay? I don't know. Okay, but I will try. I have not tried to cook this in my life. I don't know. Paano ba to? Baka may perlas to. Gosh. Ano to? I'm so scared. Babasagin ko ito pag ako nasarap. Wait. How do you open this? I don't know how to open this. I'm very... I'm gonna Google how to open this. I don't know how to open this. So I find out how to do it. Okay, I want to try this. So as you can see, I'm struggling to open this. Kaya ang ginagawa ko ngayon is I do that, I do this, and then I you cannot see, I got the last one. This is really the first time that I do that, kaya I have no idea. Kumain ng talaga, but it has to be like this. Takot na takot. Ano niya eh, masakit, baka masaktan na siya. Okay, now it's kind of open now. So I don't know which side it should be, but I don't really care now. See, I just want to grated, but I'm too lazy to grate it. So I just cut this in slices because I want to follow the instruction. So, okay. So, tapos, nakita ko ganito. Nilagyan lang nito. So, I'm also gonna put this. I really don't know how to put this. I didn't even read how to put this. I saw the picture, so I will copy it. That's all. I'm not sure. Okay. So, fine. So, this is with water, oil, sugar. See the sugar? So, I'm gonna put this. Ano to? Invento na lang. I just want to shoot it. Okay, maybe like this. Look like this. Okay. Ay! Teka lang. Bahala ka dyan. Sayang. Okay, then I'm gonna steam it. Okay, let's steam it with broccoli. Now it's okay. I got this. I'm not sure how is it. Okay. Okay. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna eat now. The moment of truth. I'm gonna try this one first. Kasi this one siguro. This one. Nilagyan ko pa ng loya to. Hindi na nakakain na. Okay.